everyone. Good morning. Good morning. We are here ordering some breakfast at Life Plus. Got some cute teddy bears helping us with it. Pizza and burger. So we were just ordering some food and then we're gonna start an adventure day in Macau. Now, we've got an epic plan coming up. The plan is no plan. Pretty epic. So we're gonna fuel up with some breakfast, then we're just gonna walk around Macau, show you guys what you can do with no plan, just see what happens. Let's go for it. Macau is a cool city with lots to explore and find out about. So, zero plan, 100% fun.
Yeah,
nice. Thank you.
I actually want to eat the pillow.
Yo, welcome to Coffee Boy Reviews. Yeah. We got some hot black coffee. Give me some sugar, baby.
Here's your sugar, baby.
Oh, thank you, man.
Give me some sugar as well.
No, sorry, I want to keep it. No, please. This is our mascot, Giraffe Boy and Zebra Guy. Let's do this. Black coffee. I'm really nervous. This is the first time trying coffee.
Really?
No, I have it every day twice.
Tastes like coffee.
Dude, it tastes like coffee. It's got a real Arabian note in there. I don't know what that means, but it's got it.
So cool coffee.
Yeah.
I love it.
Is this your first time trying the full English?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it. I go for the sausage. The dressing of salad, there are a lot of balsamic inside. It's sour and balanced with a little bit salty of sausage. Wonderful.
You like it, Fums?
Yeah.
Wow. This place is such a chill vibe for the morning. Let's give this a try. We've got croissant, egg, ham, sausage, beans, mushroom, and then some greens. Everything you could ever want ever on a plate. It is truly a breakfast for all day purposes. The secret of an all day breakfast is to get a little bit of everything. It's the true art of eating a full English. That is the perfect mouthful. It's the best way to start the day. Life Plus. Recommend it. Guys, it was delicious. We destroyed it. It was like a baby versus an MMA fighter. It had no chance. Now that we're fueled up, we're gonna go and walk around and see what Macau has to offer. It's a beautiful day. Let's go. Have fun and dance a little bit. What do you guys think of the goat? It's very beautiful. It's within nature and it's like a different country when you're inside. Very peaceful, very cool architecture. Very different to anything else in Macau. Justin, tell us the history of the house. Awesome. Unfortunately, at the time, we didn't know the significance of the house, but with a little research, my mind was blown. Built in the 1912s, it was where Dr. Sun Yat-sen and his family used to reside when living in Macau. Dr. Sun Yat-sen was the first president of the Republic of China and is considered one of the greatest leaders of modern China. What an amazing story and history behind this house. And with no people around, what a hidden gem. Fun fact about Lou Lim Ieoc garden. It used to be a privately owned garden. So we're just walking through. They have a lot of the lotuses up right now. I think Lou Lim Ieoc is always super beautiful. During summer, you're getting those summer vibes, but Jesus, it is so hot. So humid. Macau is beating our butt with the heat right now, whipping our ass. It's super sweaty, but enjoying exploring this beautiful garden. Lou Lim Ieoc is always a beautiful garden to explore, especially on a beautiful day like today.
flooding.
Yeah, it's
Look! Waterfall! Okay, this is my...
Cheers, guys. Cheers. Oh, it's so summery. Oh, it's perfect.
Perfect for summer.
Perfect for summer.
Ooh.
Guys, we are going, we're walking. We're heading to Red Market to continue the adventure. On a nice day, Red Market is super vibrant and beautiful. Are you guys excited?
Yes! We're very excited!
It's still super hot, but we're not letting the sun beat us. We continue the adventure, guys. We are in the Red Market. This is one of the only wet markets in all of Macau. It was the first wet market in all of Macau. It smells of fish. Oh, we're gonna explore the area, the Red Market area. Take some video, take some photos. This area is super local and really good for taking videos and photos, especially during a beautiful day like today. Very vibrant, very unique area for photography, very dense as well. So, let's show you guys a bit of the Red Market area through cinematics and
sexy montages.
Let's go!
So guys, that is going to be the end of our adventure. We had a walk around, we went to some cool spots, tried some nice food, and drank some nice drinks. Did you guys have a good time?
Yes!
Just having fun.
Yeah.
That's
So much
amazing.
fun.
So much fun. It's been a beautiful day, so it's really nice to get out. And you know, Macau's not known for being the most summery place, but I think we brought some summer vibes today in today's adventure. Sometimes you don't need to plan, you can just go out and see where the city takes you. Have lots of fun. If you're with cool people, then you'll have a cool time. So, with this awesome view behind us and the scary clouds coming in with a lot of rain,
Rain is coming.
Rain is indeed coming.
Storm is coming!
Whoa. So with that chaotic outro, make sure to check these guys out. How Many Adventures, Click Productions. They're both average. They're both really awesome and you should definitely go check them out. Thank you guys for joining me on today's adventure and thank you Macau!
Thank you!
Thank you! And thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one! Woo! Bruno Mars?
So I should be on
Bruno
Mars.
Mars. Great to meet you. This is Bruno Mars, and he's living on Mars.
Thank you for inviting me in your vlog.
Dude, thank you so much for coming.
Today I forgot